So today we're doing a vampire facial. I'm going to topically numb her before we get the procedure started. The procedure uses PRP, so we draw the patient's blood, we spin it in the centrifuge, and we use the PRP from it to microneedle it into the skin. At the end, if we have some left over, we can inject it into certain areas under the skin, like in the under eyes, to help with some crepiness of the skin and some discoloration. The microneedling itself helps with skin tightening, some texture repair, some pore refinement, and helps with acne scarring as well. So it's a good, easy treatment, little downtime. She'll be good to go to work again, tomorrow with very minimal pain. So now we're just going to topically numb with lidocaine all of the treatment areas. And for the vampire facial, we're just numbing the entire face because that'll be our treatment area. And we'll let that sit for 15 to 20 minutes so that she's adequately numbed for the procedure. So now we're going to draw the patient's blood, and this is what we use to get the PRP. So this is the machine where we spin the blood, and it spins for about 10 minutes, and then we'll get the PRP from it. So we're going to get started. This is the microneedling pen, and this is the PRP. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the PRP on her skin and use it as a glide for the microneedling needles. And in turn, the PRP will be infused into her skin. To draw blood, that means you're making little micro punctures into the skin, which is going to help stimulate the collagen. Just use the PRP as a glide. If you get microneedling without the PRP, there's a glide that we can use. This might be a little more sensitive. So now I'm going to inject the rest of the PRP that I have underneath the skin, and that will help to even better stimulate collagen over time. Normally it takes about 3 months to see full results from the injected PRP. So we just finished the vampire facial. The vampire facial treats superficial fine lines, some acne scarring, some pore refinement, and tonight she'll kind of leave things as be. We left some of the PRP on the skin and we injected it in the under eyes to help with collagen stimulation longer term. So tonight she'll kind of leave things as be, and then tomorrow she can start with a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and then of course stay out of the sun. She can go back to using her normal products in about a week's time. For more information on this procedure and others, you can visit our website, radiantdivine.com.